Hello everybody, my name is Maitri Chaturvedi. I am from class 63. Today I am going to tell you about balanced diet. So let's get started. This is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains proper amount of all essential nutrients, fat and water for the proper growth and development of the body. Importance of balanced diet. Balanced diet supplies nutrient to our body. It helps our body to work effectively. Without balanced diet nutrition, our body is more prone to diseases, infection, fatigue, and low performance. The composition of a balanced diet depends on sex and age of the person. Occupation means the type of work and special needs like during pregnancy. A growing child needs more protein than a grown-up man to develop body tissues needed for growth. A pregnant woman needs more protein in her diet for building the body for the developing baby. Laborers, athletes, rickshaw pullers and need more carbohydrates to obtain more energy to do physical work. Components of balanced diet. The main components of our food are nutrients, roughage also called the dietary fibers, and water. Nutrients are the substances that an organism needs for growth, repair and maintenance of its body. The main nutrients are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Foods can be eaten in a balanced diet. Our diet may consist of many items like wheat, rice, pulses, eggs, milk, meat, fish, fruits, vegetables, and drink plenty of water, etc. Food plate chart. This is a food plate chart that we should eat. Nutritional diet. This is a National Nutrition Week diet. We should also eat this. Importance of giving balanced diet to a child. A child needs a healthy balanced diet to ensure that they are getting all essential vitamins, minerals and other nutrients that children need for healthy growth and development. Good nutrition is essential during childhood as it is a time of rapid growth, development and activity. This is also a vital time for healthy tooth development and prevention of decay. To maintain a balanced diet, make half your plates fruits and vegetables. Make half the grains you eat whole grains. Switch to fat-free or low-fat 1% milk. Choose a variety of lean protein foods. Compare sodiums in foods. Drink water instead of sugary drinks. Cut back on solid fats. Reduce fat, salt and sugar. Prepare healthy snacks. Eat some seafood. There is no problem if you are a vegetarian. Keep balanced diet. Ensure healthy life.